So I'm wearing, oh my god, my hair's so long. I think I need to cut it. I'm wearing a headband and this is from Lukin and I just thought it was very cute. Oh! This top is from Aritzia. I got it last year. And I'm wearing these jeans from Zara. I might just leave early because I don't really have anything to do right now. We're waiting in line. How long have you been waiting? Like an hour?
No.
Maybe like 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
Not that long.
Not that long.
I'm not gonna pour the whole thing. Actually, I'll pour the whole thing. Oh. What the fuck is that?
What kind of bite is that?
This is better. I like this one more. The matcha. Oops, I left the little. Bro, it's hard as hell. I know, right? Oh my gosh, it's so good quality. To try it. Try the matcha. It's good. Oh. Cold. Yeah, cold.
I'm like not bad. I'm just happy I don't need to wear a jacket.
Oh my god, it's good. It got on my head.
So I actually had time to curl my hair today. So it's a little wavy, but I'm probably gonna have to leave soon. Here's my fit. I'm just wearing jeans and I'm wearing a green cardigan that I got from Zara like during COVID. It's like one of my favorite cardigans though. I think it's so cute. I'm gonna wear this, bring my lip balm. I'm gonna bring this camera and I'm just gonna head to the mall. I'm just gonna wear these earrings too. Okay, I need to wear socks.
사진 찍어달라고.
I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm just gonna make 볶음 udon.
그러다가 그럴지도. 맨날 난 한